What are the most cost and space-efficient ways to produce clean energy? The Aeromine rooftop wind energy system might provide the answer to this. This system promises to produce more electrical energy for the same price as solar panels while being up to 70% less expensive. But what scientific principles underpin this technology? In this video, we'll examine the Aeromine system and consider its potential for producing clean energy as well as its proponents' claim. The Aeromine rooftop wind energy system is a wind energy system that advertises that it can produce up to 70% more electrical energy than solar panels for the same price. The system works by drawing in surrounding air over a concealed turbine by taking advantage of the low-pressure area produced by the redirection of air around aerofoils. The Aeromine system uses the same basic operating principle as wind turbines despite not having any external moving parts. The system is suitable for rooftop applications because it's modular and uses little space. One of the main advantages of the Aeromine is that it has a modular construction and doesn't need tower support, which saves space and keeps costs down. Additionally, it lessens the need for steel in construction, which is important because the production of steel is accountable for 7% of the world's CO2 emissions. In order to separate the iron molecules from oxygen molecules in iron ore, the steel manufacturer SSAB uses its new hybrid technology, which replaces Coca-Cola with fossil-free electricity and hydrogen, and releases water instead of CO2. By 2026, fossil fuel-free steel will be commercially available, and by 2030, SSAB plans to have virtually zero CO2 emissions overall. However, the Aeromine's primary drawback is that it was created for rooftop use, which restricts its availability to produce large amounts of wind energy. Despite this, the system's test results showed that it produced the same amount of power regardless of the wind's direction up to a 45-degree angle. Although Aeromine seems like a promising technology, it's important to assess its assertions and consider any potential drawbacks. The Aeromine has several advantages, including being space-efficient and not requiring tower support, which makes it appropriate for rooftop applications. However, this restricts its ability to produce wind energy on a large scale. Furthermore, it's critical to assess these claims critically and consider any potential drawbacks, even though the system makes claims that it can produce more electrical energy for the same price and can cost up to 70% less than solar panels. Air is redirected over aerofoils in the Aeromine system to create a low-pressure area that draws in surrounding air over a covert turbine below. Similar to how a straw works, this action of drawing in the surrounding air. The system is cost and space efficient because it's made for rooftop applications and does not need tower support. The system also lessens the demand for steel in the construction industry, which is important because steel production is accountable for 7% of the world's CO2 emissions. The Aeromine's biggest drawback, however, is that it was created for rooftop use, which restricts its ability to produce large amounts of wind energy. Impressive test results showed that the system produced the same amount of power regardless of the wind's direction up to a 45-degree angle. But it's important to assess the system's claims critically, especially when it comes to how cost-effective it is in comparison to solar panels. The assertion that the Aeromine produces more electrical energy for the same price as solar panels is audacious and needs more research. Although the modular construction of the Aeromine lowers construction costs, it's important to take into account the system's total cost, which includes installation, maintenance, and lifespan. It's critical to assess the Aeromine's capacity for scaling up energy production because solar panels have also been shown to be efficient for producing energy on a large scale. Despite these possible drawbacks, the Aeromine is a promising technology that could deliver clean energy in a cost and space-efficient way. To lessen reliance on fossil fuels, it's crucial to keep researching and developing alternative energy sources. Finally, the Aeromine rooftop wind energy system seems to be a promising advancement in the wind energy industry. It may be more efficient and economical than conventional wind turbines due to its distinctive design and modular construction. There are still some problems though, like the effect on birds and the fact that it only applies to rooftop installations. To fully assess the potential of this technology, more investigation and experimentation will be required. What do you think of the rooftop wind energy system from Aeromine? Do you believe it has the potential to revolutionize the industry of wind energy? Please share your thoughts in the section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful content like this.